Hey guys, working on this Treadle Vac system out of this 58 Belair. I've heard some guys call it a Treadle Vac, so I'm looking at the spelling. It looks like Treadle, but maybe it's Treadle. Who knows? Feedle dee, feedle dum. Anyway, once you get your unit out, and don't need to cover that because it's fairly simple to pull that out of the rig. When you get down to pulling your piston out, I had a lot of trouble getting it out because there was so much crud built up down inside the cylinder. So I kept pushing it back in, and I've scraped away and scraped away down in there and cleaned it up, and I finally got it to come out. And what I found was just a horrendous amount of buildup. The cylinder had been leaking, and I thought the cylinder was shot actually, but I think I'm going to be able to clean that up. So I'm going to take this off, rebuild the cylinder, and see if I can get this cleaned up enough to reuse it. If not, it looks like about 400 bucks for a new rebuilt unit. But thought I'd just throw this out there and maybe do a little follow-up after a while as I get a little further into this process.